The statements which people are uttering, the statements which they are blurting. Just day before yesterday, the woman says that as far as I am concerned, more protection is for us in the South African constitution than the Quran Sharif. Now is this woman a Muslim anymore? Is she a Muslim anymore? What fatwa will a person give who says that no, the South African constitution is better than the Quran Sharif's constitution? Now what has happened with regard on account of that statement, that is what we have to look at. That on account of that statement, she has become out of the pale of Islam. It's kufr. No mufti in the world will consider that statement as anything other than kufr. And because of that, the marriage has terminated. If she reads the kalima again, takes the shahada, and then the nikah is performed, then they are husband and wife. But nobody does that. So what will happen now? There will be a haram relationship between this woman and her so-called husband, who is no more a husband. It's a fitna. I've just given you one example of day before yesterday. But these are things which are so common. We listen to it so much times that we get heart attacks. Where are we heading for? So now the marriage has ended and terminated. They are no more husband and wife. Now if they are going to live together, you think there's going to be happiness? When they are going to have problems now, we say, where are these problems coming from? Why is it that we're trying reconciliation? Every time the parents are making an effort, family is making an effort, jamiyats are making effort, but nothing, no reconciliation. How can there be a reconciliation when that person's marriage has terminated and ended? How much we must guard this piece of flesh. So he says, Jo ab rangi alam hai na deedani hai. We can't even see what is happening. What kinds of films are being shown? What kinds of fitnas are entering our homes? Jo din raat ghar mein ladai thani hai, na pucho sabab uska na guftani. This constant fights and bickering and arguments that are taking place between husband and wife, that the reason for that is not something that we can bring onto our tongues. Why it is coming about. Like for example, I gave you this example, that now if this husband and wife fights and argument, it's because there's no marriage left there. It has terminated long ago. And how many people have made statements like that? How many of them? Ye tehzeeb nau hai, nayi roshni hai. This is the new civilization, unfortunately, which we Muslims are also following blindly. We are unconcerned where we are going, where our children are going, where our families are going.